Hi, my name is Cindy and I am so glad spring is on the way. The sun was shining so bright today, I had to put on my sunglasses. Today I am participating in Recreation Inspiration. Sit back and relax, hit that subscribe button, and watch me craft some new and interesting DIYs. DIY number 1, Boho Craft Kit. The supplies needed include 1 Boho Craft Kit, extra flowers, and hot glue. And that's it, folks. It is easy peasy. I had this kit for about a year and never thought I would DIY it until I saw Rebecca, Stu, and the crew craft this boho kit. It comes with a wire ring, berries, suede hanger, and leaves. Now, I will not say this is a sturdy kit, but it can be made very beautiful. I followed the pattern on the kit and then added my own spin to the DIY. Now, some of the felt leaves were coming off and I used hot glue to adhere them onto the wire and wrap them around the ring. Now, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew, they just use wire to wrap around, but I decided I would just hot glue it on and then take the wire that was already on the leaves and to wrap it around the wire ring. So after the leaves were on, I found some pink flowers in my stash and I glued them on the bottom and a little bit about halfway up each side. However, you can use any color flowers you would like. I just happen to have pink ones on hand. Then I removed the pom-poms from the wire and I set them aside because I'll use the wire for something else at a later time. Then I scattered some pink tiny flowers and put the pom-poms on the sides and the bottom. And lastly, I put the suede hanger on and hung it on my door. It is so pretty and spring-like because I'm trying to bring spring on, you know. Now this is an open challenge with the host, 6 kids and a glue gun, and Crafty Art Shack. The co-host this month is Rustic and Lace DIY. These women are so sweet, kind, and helpful, and besides, they're super crafters. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. The link to their channels is in the description box below. The other collaborators have created some amazing DIYs also, so be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels, and the link to their channels in the playlist below. So on to DIY number 2, terracotta candle holders. The supplies needed include moss, terracotta pots, you need a small and a medium, white acrylic paint, hot glue, butterflies, Dollar Tree candlesticks, and tea lights or candles. Now this was inspired by Gleespin Designs. Her video, Transform Your Home with Dollar Tree and Thrifted Finds, Easy High-End Decor Hacks. Now she made some candle holders out of Christmas bells. So check out her channel and see what she is making out of Thrifted Finds. Now I painted the metal candlesticks with white acrylic paint and I let them dry, and I had to give them 2 coats for full coverage. Then I prepared the small terracotta pot because the larger one was done about a year ago. However, I am DIYing the smaller pot so you can see how it is done. The terracotta pot is only dry brush because you want some of the terracotta color to be exposed. And I probably maybe brushed on a little bit too much, but sometimes after a while you'll just add some water to it and it may expose the terracotta color. Then I took some soft green moss and hot glued it around the rim of the pot along with some bark that was in the stash that I had. Then a white butterfly was glued to the outside of the pot, and the flower pots were glued to the candlestick, and wow, a tea light was put inside the flower pot to give it a beautiful glow in the evening. Now, I veered a little bit from what Gleesman's designs were, but basically it is the same process. So let me know what you think. DIY number 3, a Line Art Floral. The supplies needed include a 6x8 black picture frame, a black permanent marker, watercolor paper, and watercolor in pink and yellow. Now, this was inspired by A. She did a line art Valentine's Day gift idea using rope for her line art, and I think this is in her shorts. So check out her channel to see her amazing DIYs. Now, she did her line art using rope, but I did line art my way. And as the song goes, I did it my way. I took a Dollar Tree frame and dismantled it by removing the glass, the mat, and the backing. I made sure the glass was clean and found a free picture to produce my line art. And since spring is on the way, I traced around a beautiful flower with leaves. I did the line art with a black permanent marker. Now, line art sometimes is supposed to, you start out with one line and you continue that line until you're done. Hey, I'm not there yet. Then I took some watercolor paper and made some lines with pink and yellow watercolors. As you can see on the opposite side, a while back I used some metallic watercolors. I hadn't used those before. And so I figured if I get tired of the side that I did now, I will just flip it over to the other side. And then I put everything back into the frame except for the mat. And the more I look at this picture, I am intrigued by its beauty. It kind of grows on you. So let me know what you think about this one. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Help me reach my goal of 1,500. And when I get there, a prize will be awarded to someone who is a subscriber and comments on that video that reaches that number. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, choose joy. Romans 15:13. See you later. Bye.